how to delete business portfolio on Facebook. So to delete your business portfolio, also known as business manager in Facebook, you need to go ahead and start by opening your Meta Business settings. So head over into Meta Business Suite and then sign in to your account. And then at the left side of your screen, at the top left, you'll be able to find this. So click on it and select that specific business portfolio that you want to delete. And then from here, click on this Visit Settings, and that will take you here. So in here, head over to Business Info, and then at the top right, you'll find this Permanently Delete Business button. Click on it, and then click on Delete Portfolio. So deleting your business portfolio is permanent. Your portfolio will be deleted in 24 hours once you choose to delete it. You can also remove assets and deactivate ad accounts instead if you don't want to delete your account. So when you delete your account, all your pages, ad accounts, and tools added to this business will be deleted. Any access you have to another business asset like a page and pixel will be removed. And that is how you can basically delete business portfolio on Facebook.